Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up in your Field app. So first of all, you need to know that Field is a dating app. So to get signed up into it, you need to follow these steps. So first of all, you need to open your Field app on your Android device or any other devices and press on the Join Field option. So once you press on Join Field, you can select any medium. I have chosen email address. Simply give your email and press on the next option. So once you are here, simply tap on Open Email app, which will then redirect you to your mail. Now simply go to your email address and tap on the Login to Field app link. Once you have done this, you will get automatically linked to your Field app via your email address. Now simply fill in your date of birth and any other credentials that the Field app is seeking for you to get filled up. So along with your birth date, just type in your nickname or your name and select your gender. Then select what describes you the best and what you are looking for. After this, you can skip this part or fill in what your desires are, add photos which describes you the best, press on the next button or invite a partner or skip it, allow location permission on your device, and you can even subscribe to the Field app. After all this is done, you can simply press on the continue button, which will then get you signed up in your Field app. So this is how you get signed up in your Field. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.